Shot puno!
Go!
Hi!
Hello everyone, good morning. It's currently 9:22 a.m. on a Saturday. It's June 1 and my family planned a weekend getaway, so we're gonna go swim in Silang later today. We're leaving daw ng 12, but I'm not sure. It depends naman kasi I'm bringing my own car, so I can leave whenever. Tsaka I haven't packed my things yet, so I'm gonna do that in a bit. I don't know how this vlog will transpire, but I'll just try to vlog everything. Ayan lang. I'm just so tired. Kakagising ko lang and I'll probably eat breakfast muna bago bumangon. Bago bumangon. So yeah. Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Where's Tofu?
Hi to. Nauhaw. Wait lang. Oh, wait lang. Oo, nakita siya.
Hi! Chloe, where are we going?
Where we
Swimming pool and coffee shop.
Yeah, let's get coffee. Look at the Tofu! Where are we?
Yeah, it's a coffee shop. I said, hello, Nino. We are still in the coffee shop. I hate in here because I want to go to swimming pool.
We're gonna go in a bit. We're gonna wait for them to finish our orders.
Hi.
Tofu. Tulog si Tofu.
Hello.
Ayan.
You like tofu, eh?
You want to say hi? Say hi at short
When, tofu?
Di pwede si Tofu.
Mas malawak.
And then, where are we gonna park? Asan
Ito
sila
ba?
dito?
Or ito na way? Baka yung nandyan.
Ha? Ano daw? Baka ito yung parking dyan.
No, there,
Rough.
there.
Ha? Ano ba? Hindi kaya
Ate,
yung
may-
ano?
Ito, ate.
Oo, yung
Sige,
dyan na
wait.
daan.
That one.
My goodness.
Parang ano pa
Sabi na
rin.
eh. Sabi na eh.
Dito.
Okay na po. Okay, thank you. Let's go.
Hi.
Ay, tatalsik. Oh. Napunta ito.
Okay, am I...
Dahil, yung sa mata po kasi o tumitingin, yung mata niya po, nakikita po yung parang sincere siya na hindi niya inaarte yung sinasabi niya. Kaya na, papakikilala mo sa kiyang in a little more.
What happened?
Yes, matuwa
The
ka si
window pulled
Kaya
down.
sa una, search sa hindi mo na bili, search it. Basta. Huwag ka siya.
You're not saying No, he's Oh, Dad!
Po sa'yo.
Dami pa tayong career na tatahakit, pero sa ngayon, hindi ba tayo
Hi guys! So, it's already 3:05 p.m. I think. Is it? 3:06 na pala. And we arrived an hour ago. The drive is, ano lang naman, mga 1 hour lang din naman. So, yes, I'm vlogging. Sa akin? Okay. Hey, Ibam is here. Say hi, Ibami. Let's vlog together. Okay. So, Ibam's here kasi nag-away sila ni Tofu. So, say hi. Okay. So cute, no, Ibam? Anyway, yung villa na binook namin is a loft type. And personally, sobrang favorite ko yung mga ganong place. Kaya I'm so in love with the place. And the furniture, the decor, sobrang ganda. Medyo hindi ko lang siya na-vlog, guys. Kasi dami ng gamit namin na nakakalat. Natagalan kami kanina sa Audrey's. Kaya hindi ko rin na-vlog yung on the way namin here. Kasi naiinap na si Chloe. So we had to go na agad. Swimming na kasi siya. So later, sunduin ko si Mami sa Santa Rosa. She's supposed to be here with us. Kaso may work pa siya. So I have to go back there pa. Medyo lubak-lubak lang yung daan, yung road papunta here. Especially yung pag malapit ka na dito. Kasi nasa loob yung sobrang, ang tawag doon, loob-looban pa yung place. And very secluded. So ngayon mag-edit lang ako ng vlogs and do some of my work. Tapos later mag-swimming din kami. And yeah.
That was 2020. Yung dog po. Tapos yung dog po na yun is
Oh, hi!
Say hi! Look,
Kamusta?
it's so cute.
It's been a long time, Mikmik. I miss you.
Tapos
Ako.
saglit ka lang dito.
Kaya nga eh. Kailangan rumampa din pa
Saan
norte.
kayo?
Pa Pampanga.
Why? Okay, it's 4:48. Magpa 5 na. So, okay. Hintay ko lang si Apple because siya kasama ko magsundo. Okay, sundo na kami, guys.
Sayang sa Ate Bea.
Kaya nga. Okay, it's 5:52. We just arrived sa Santa Rosa to pick up my mom. Medyo traffic lang dun sa may silang. So hopefully hindi kami ma-traffic pabalik, especially that it's a Saturday and paggabi na. Pero feel ko abutin kami ng gabi kasi baka dumaan kami sa grocery. Diyan na siya.
Yung mga Bayo Jessica eh. Ay, okay, Bayo Jessica nga pala yung namin. Pero eh, di ba, naman eh, ano. Kung naman naman tayo sa Shopwise, dito na lang tayo. Shopwise?
Saan doon?
Dito. Okay.
Natanong ba natin si tita?
Ano daw ito yung ano eh, yung Sunmig?
Sunmig what? I forgot. Teka.
Huwag sabihin na.
Si nanay.
Ayun doon na. Oo. Pagdating nga na.
My mom is here. Say hi. May ilaw na yung pool, guys. Ganda na siya. Bigyan mo yung hotdog onte. Okay.
Sakit sa mukha, guys. Ang laki na. Ay, ang lakas. Ang lakas. Parang sunog na yata. At kuya Jel, ito, malapit na tumas.
Parang kumakain ng cake, no?
Kasi wala akong pula sa'yo eh. Sa akin. Kaya inaali sa Graham. Okay, yung pores ko. Konti na lang. Mag-open yung pores ko.
Parang nakaka-taste siya.
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Baka naalis sila ito po. Baka wala. Bakit mo tinatapon yung hotdog?
It was an accident! It was an accident then!
Accident daw.
I just flew down and tried to open it.
No, Chloe, papatagayin din kita.
Show the hotdog.
I'm doing camping.
Behave naman, love. So behave. You're so cute.
Ha, Luto!
Hoy, huwag kang mahina.
Sayawan mo kasi, sayawan mo.
Lote, ang konti lang. Gusto ko kapakain.
Ayoko na.
Hindi nga tayo masira. Kasi kay konti lang.
I know you see.
Kala ko kay Sister Golden. Yung ay pala sa akin.
Hey, papunta na tayo sa pangkakasalan.
Ate, hindi ko nakakunin.
Shot, puno!
Go! Go, shot! Yes! Hi guys, so I don't know what time is it, but I'm currently swimming with a family. I don't know if you guys can see them. Nakapag 5 or 6 shots na kami ng Alfonso, so baka masira. Ha? Wait lang. Magsuswimming muna, makikipag-bonding na muna ako kasi mamaya baka malasing ako, di ko na alam kung nasan yung camera. So yeah. Say hi guys! Hi.
Hello.
Okay, so it's currently 12 a.m. June 2 na. We just finished swimming around 11:30. Kwento ka na later, but medyo gutom ako, so let's get food. Oh my God, isa mo lang natitirang chocolate croissant. Okay, let's microwave it. I'm so hungry. Ay. Tapos na. Okay, I just finished eating my croissant and I turned off the lights here in your room because Tita is sleeping. Siya yung roommate ko today. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I mean, I'm not gonna end the vlog. For this day, hindi na mag-vlog. Tomorrow morning ulit. I'm gonna call it a night because I'm so tired and everyone here is sleeping na and resting and we have nothing else to do anymore. Well, to summarize yung kanina, the inuman session was really fun. Everyone had fun. It's my first time drinking with my mother. It was really fun. She was very chill. Di ko nasasabihan kung sino yung nalasing. But you guys know who you are. May umiyak pa. Di ko nasabihin kung sino. But super fun. Always so fun to spend time with my family. Sayang lang wala si daddy. Hindi siya nakasama. Pero still super fun. It was also so cute. Nandun lang si Tofu sa gilid. Hinintay niya matapos kami. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Because I really wanna sleep na rin. Yeah, good night guys. Guys, look at Yuna. She's so cute. I love.
It is someone.
Why you're not talking naman to them? Hi guys. Morning. It's 6:34 and maaga yung checkout so bumangon ako para masulat.
Ano yan? Hi.
Hi, good morning. Out in the and relaxing my.
Ang taba.
We're going home. Ano oras na?
10:20.
10:28. 11 yung checkout pero alas na kami. Kasi punta pa kami sa house sa sister. Thank you, kuya.
Ay, nasilaw ako.
Dito na kami sa bahay ni sister. Naligaw pa kami. Grabe.
Ate, yan. Ganyan ka din.
Oh, wow. Sister! Grabe ang pagkaligaw. Hi guys, so I'm ending the vlog here. It's already 6:43 p.m. ng Sunday, June 2. And nakauwi kami mga 1:30 p.m. na ata yun. I'm not sure, basta around that time. Hindi ko na rin na-vlog yung pag-uwi because super pagod. Kasi pagka-uwi, natulog ako agad kasi super tiring and medyo kakabahan ko lang din. Halata naman siguro sa buhok ko. Super fun weekend. Yun lang guys, I'm so tired and kulang pa yung rest ko so I'm still gonna sleep pa. If umabot kayo dito, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next vlog. Okay, I'm still so awkward but yeah. Bye everyone!